Meaning of mask.
Mask. Mask.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A covering for the face, typically worn to conceal one's identity, to protect from dust or other particles, or as a fashion statement. 2. A false appearance or pretense, used to conceal one's true character or intentions. 3. A device or contraption that covers or protects the face, such as a gas mask or a surgical mask. Examples. 1. The burglar wore a mask to avoid being recognized by the security cameras. 2. Behind her polished mask of confidence, she was secretly struggling with self-doubt. Verb. Definitions. 1. To conceal or disguise something, such as a person's identity, a defect, or a flaw. 2. To cover or overflow, especially in a sudden or excessive manner. Examples. 1. The company tried to mask the smell of the chemicals by pumping in fresh air. 2. The artist's use of color helped to mask the imperfections in the canvas. Figurative. Definitions. 1. A false or pretended persona or attitude, used to conceal one's true feelings or intentions. Examples. 1. She put on a mask of happiness but inside she was hurting. 2. He wore a mask of confidence but deep down he was terrified.
Mask. Mask.